New Perplexity AI update is insane. The new Perplexity update just dropped and it's absolutely wild. You can now create slides, sheets, and docs right inside your searches. This isn't just an upgrade, it's a total game changer for how you work. I'm going to walk you through exactly what this means and how to use it. By the end of this video, you'll know how to turn your research into ready to use presentations in seconds. Let's dive in. So, Perplexity just rolled out something crazy. And I mean really crazy. You can now build and edit slides, sheets, and documents directly inside Perplexity while you search. This is only for Pro and Max subscribers on the web right now, but here's why this matters. Most tools make you search for information in one place, then copy it to another tool to create something with it. Not anymore. Hey, if we haven't met already, I'm the digital avatar of Julian Goldie, CEO of SEO agency Goldie Agency. Whilst he's helping clients get more leads and customers, I'm here to help you get the latest AI updates. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you comment below and let me know what you think. Perplexity is now letting you do both at the same time. Search and creation happening in the exact same space. Let me break down what this actually looks like. You're doing a search in Perplexity like normal. Maybe you're researching competitor data or market trends or whatever you need. Instead of copying that data out and opening Google Slides or Excel, you can now create those assets right there, right inside Perplexity. You can build a full presentation deck. You can create spreadsheets with your data organized. You can draft documents with all your insights already formatted. And here's the best part, you can edit them in real time. No switching between tabs, no losing your flow. Everything happens in one workspace. This works across all search modes too. Whether you're using focus mode or regular search or whatever, the asset creation features are available. Now, let me tell you why this is such a big deal. Think about how you normally work. You search for information, you open a new tab, you open Google Slides or Sheets or Docs, you copy and paste, you format everything, you go back and forth between windows. It's slow, it breaks your concentration. And honestly, it's just annoying. Perplexity is removing all of that friction. The search results become the building blocks for your presentations or reports immediately. No extra steps, no wasted time. This is what I call an AI native workflow. Everything integrated, everything automatic, everything faster. Let me give you some real examples of how this changes things. Say you're putting together a business report, you search for your industry data in Perplexity. The AI gives you insights, stats, and trends. Now you can instantly turn that into a slide deck, add charts, add visuals, format it how you want, all without leaving the platform. Or maybe you're doing marketing analysis, you search for campaign performance data or competitor strategies, Perplexity gives you everything you need, then you create a spreadsheet right there with all the numbers organized. You can sort it, filter it, make it presentation ready in minutes instead of hours. Before we go further, I want to tell you about something that can take your business to the next level. If you're serious about scaling and using AI to automate your workflows, you need to check out my AI Profit Boardroom. This is the best place to scale your business, get more customers, and save hundreds of hours with AI automation. Inside, you'll learn cutting edge strategies that are working right now, real case studies, real results, and a community of people doing the same thing. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Now back to Perplexity. Another use case is operational planning. You need to create a document with action items and timelines. You search for the context you need, you get the insights, then you build the doc immediately with everything structured and ready to share. This is automation at its finest. You're not just searching, you're creating finished work products. And here's something else that's really cool about this update. Perplexity isn't just giving you the tools, they're building in suggestions. The AI can look at what you're searching for and suggest creating an asset. So if you're researching something that looks like it needs a presentation, Perplexity might prompt you to start building slides. It's proactive, it's smart, it saves you even more time because you don't have to think about the next step. The platform does it for you. Now I want to talk about what this means for the bigger picture. Perplexity is changing its identity. It started as a search engine, a really good one, but now it's evolving into a full workspace. They're blurring the line between finding information and using that information to create something valuable. This is the future of productivity tools. AI-powered, integrated, seamless, and it's happening right now. You don't need 5 different apps anymore. You need one that does everything. That's what Perplexity is building toward. All right, now let me show you how to actually use this. When you're in Perplexity and you run a search, look for the option to create a new asset. It should be pretty easy to spot. You'll see options for slides, sheets, or docs. Click on whichever one you need. The platform will start building it for you automatically based on your search results. Now, here's where it gets fun. You can customize everything. If it's a slide deck, you can change the layout, add new slides, move things around, edit the text, add images or charts. If it's a spreadsheet, you can add columns, change formulas, sort your data however you want. If it's a document, you can format it like any word processor. Headings, bullet points, paragraphs, whatever you need. And all of this happens live in real time. No saving and reopening files, no export and import, just pure editing power right there. One tip I have for you is to use the follow up prompts. Perplexity will suggest things you might want to add or change. These prompts are super helpful because they guide you toward making your assets even better. Maybe it suggests adding a comparison chart or breaking down a complex idea into simpler points. Pay attention to those suggestions, they're designed to make your work stronger and faster. Another thing to know is that this update also plays well with other Perplexity features. They've been building out video generation capabilities too, so if you need to create a video with your insights, you can do that as well. Imagine this workflow. You search for data, you create a presentation with that data, then you turn that presentation into a video, all in the same platform. That's the kind of integration we're talking about here. It's not just about one feature, it's about a whole ecosystem of tools that work together perfectly. Now, let me tell you who this is perfect for. If you're in marketing, this is a dream come true. You can create campaign reports, performance dashboards, and strategy decks without ever leaving your research environment. If you're in sales, you can build pitch decks on the fly with the latest data baked right in. If you're a consultant or freelancer, you can deliver client reports faster and with less hassle. If you're a business owner, you can create operational documents and planning materials in a fraction of the time. Basically, if you work with data and need to present it in any way, this update is for you. And here's the thing: speed matters in business. The faster you can move from insight to action, the better. This update removes the bottleneck. You're not waiting on design teams or spending hours formatting. You're creating professional assets in minutes. That's a competitive advantage. Let's talk about what makes this different from other tools. There are plenty of platforms that let you create slides or sheets or docs. Google Workspace does it, Microsoft Office does it, Notion does it, but none of them are integrated with AI search the way Perplexity is. That's the key difference. You're not just creating assets, you're creating them with AI generated insights already built in. The data is already there, the context is already there, the structure is already there. You just refine it and make it yours. That's a totally different experience from starting with a blank page. And it's faster, way faster. Another thing I love about this is how it changes the way you think about research. Usually, research is a separate step from creation. You gather information, then you use it later. But with this update, research and creation happen at the same time. That means you're always moving forward. You're never stuck in information gathering mode. You're always building something tangible that keeps momentum going. And momentum is everything when you're trying to get work done. Now, let's talk about some limitations. Right now, this is only available for Pro and Max subscribers. If you're on the free plan, you won't have access to these features yet. I don't know if Perplexity plans to roll this out to free users eventually, but for now, it's a premium feature. Also, this is only on the web version. If you're using Perplexity on mobile, you won't see these asset creation tools. That might change in the future, but right now it's desktop only, so keep that in mind. But honestly, these limitations don't take away from how powerful this update is. If you're a Pro or Max user and you work on a computer, this is going to change how you operate. Let me give you a few more tips for getting the most out of this. First, experiment with different asset types. Don't just stick to slides or sheets. Try creating docs too. Each format has its strengths, and sometimes one will work better than another for what you're trying to do. Second, use the AI suggestions. Perplexity is smart about what you're working on. If it suggests adding something or changing something, give it a shot. You might be surprised at how much better your asset turns out. Third, iterate fast. Because editing is so easy and integrated, you can try different versions quickly. Don't overthink it, just build something, see how it looks, and adjust. That's the power of having everything in one place. You can move fast without losing quality. Fourth, share your assets. Once you've created something, you can export it or share it directly. This is great for collaboration. Your team can see what you've built and give feedback immediately. No waiting for files to upload or emails to send. Everything is instant. And finally, combine this with other Perplexity features. Use the video generation, use the image creation, use everything the platform offers to build complete, polished deliverables. The more you integrate these tools, the more powerful your workflow becomes. Now, here's something I think is really exciting about the future. Perplexity is clearly building toward a full AI native productivity stack. This update is just the beginning. I expect we'll see more features like this in the coming months, maybe real time collaboration tools, maybe integration with other platforms, maybe even more advanced automation. The point is, Perplexity is positioning itself as more than just a search engine. It's becoming a place where you can do your entire job, from research to creation to sharing, all in one platform. That's a vision worth paying attention to, because if they pull it off, it's going to change how we work, not just a little bit, a lot. Do you want to be ahead of that curve? You want to be the person who's already using these tools when everyone else is still figuring them out. That's how you stay competitive. That's how you get ahead. All right, let's wrap this up. The new Perplexity update is insane. You can now create and edit slides, sheets, and docs right inside your searches. It's only for Pro and Max subscribers on the web. But if you have access, this is a total game changer. It removes the friction between finding information and creating something with it. It speeds up your workflow, it keeps you focused, and it gives you professional results in a fraction of the time. Real use cases include business reporting, marketing analysis, and operational planning. But honestly, anyone who works with data can benefit from this. The key is to start using it. Don't just read about it. Get in there and build something. See how it works for you. Experiment with different formats. Use the AI suggestions. Iterate fast and watch how much faster you can get things done. This is the future of productivity. AI powered, integrated, seamless, and it's here right now. Before you go, I want to tell you about one more thing. If you want to learn how to use AI to transform your business, you need to join the free AI Money Lab with Julian Goldie. Inside, you'll get 50 plus free AI tools and 200 plus ChatGPT SEO prompts. You'll learn how to use AI agents, get access to over 1,000 free N8N workflows, and get 200 plus ChatGPT prompts, plus a full blueprint to generate thousands of leads free with AI. You'll also get a free AI community, a free AI course, and proven AI case studies. This is everything you need to start using AI effectively in your business. The link is in the description. Go check it out. Julian Goldie reads every comment, so make sure you drop a comment below and let me know how you plan to use this new Perplexity update. Are you going to use it for presentations, spreadsheets, documents? I want to hear what you're most excited about. And if you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future updates. I'm bringing you the latest AI news and strategies every single week. This is just the beginning. AI is moving fast, and if you want to keep up, you need to stay informed. So, subscribe, comment, and let's keep building together. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.